Day Sci Kids.
10 lines essay about sheep. A sheep is a domesticated mammal related to goats. It loves to run and jump. It likes to eat grass. It gives us wool, which is used to make woolen cloths. Female sheep are called ewes. Male sheep are called rams. Young sheep are called lambs. Sheep are owned and maintained by a sheep farmer. Sheep are kept for their meat and wool. There are some breeds that are specialists for wool and meat. A group of sheep is called a flock. The most popular sheep was Dolly the sheep, which was the first large mammal clone.